Good day everyone! Today we will discuss the polynomial function, and they basically like equation with variable raised to a different power. Learning objects. Number 1. Definition and characteristic of polynomial function. This focuses on understanding the fundamental definition and properties of polynomial function. Number 2. Enumerate the three types of polynomial function. This aims to identify between the different types of polynomial function. Number 3. Operation with polynomial function. In addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, this object explores how to perform basic arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division on polynomial function. Graphing a polynomial function. This object focuses on understanding the techniques and methods used to graph polynomial function.
Polynomial function of expression. Now, let's analyze each expression and determine if they are polynomial or not. Number 1. Fx is equal to 3x raised to the 4th power plus 4x raised to the 3rd power plus 5x minus 3x raised to the 2nd power. This expression is a function because it follows the rules of a polynomial function. Number 2. Fx is equal to negative 4x raised to the 3/4 power minus 6x raised to the 3rd power minus 7x is not a function because the power of x in the first term is not a whole number. Number 3. Fx is equal to 5x raised to the 3rd power minus 2x raised to the 2nd power plus x. This expression is not a function because the power of x in the first term is not a whole number. Number 4. Fx is equal to the square root of 7x raised to the 2nd power plus x is not a function because the variable x is under x square root. Number 5. Fx is equal to 8x raised to the 4th power minus 3x raised to the 3rd power plus 2x minus x raised to the 2nd power. This is a function because it follows the rules of a polynomial function.
Characteristic of expression implies each exponent is a whole number. This means you can have the fraction or decimal as a power of variables. Denominators contain no variable in x. The characteristics say that the variable can be the bottom part of fraction. No variable is under the radical sign. It means that the variable x can be under a square root or any other radical sign.
So let me tell you what polynomial function is. Polynomial functions are mathematical expressions consisting of variables, coefficients, and operations, which is addition, subtraction, and multiplication. They have a finite number of terms, non-negative integer exponents, and coefficients that are real numbers. But they have a limited number of parts, so they are not endless. The powers of the variables have to be whole numbers, like 2, 3, 4, and so on. No fractions or decimals allowed, and the numbers that multiply the variables have to be regular numbers. No extra stuff like square roots or imaginary numbers. Now let's tackle the three types of polynomial function. Monomial. These are polynomial functions with just one term, just like 4x, 7y cubed, and 5x squared. Binomial. These are polynomial functions with two terms, like 5x minus 1, 7y squared plus y, and 6x squared plus 8x. And lastly, trinomial. These are polynomial functions with three terms. For example, 4y cubed minus 2y squared plus y, 6c squared plus 2c minus 4, and 5x cubed plus 2x squared minus 4y.
Evaluating polynomial function is an important skill in the succeeding topics. To evaluate a polynomial function means to find the value of the function at a given value of x. Now, let's look at the example below. So, let's say we have the function px is equal to 2x raised to the 3rd power plus x raised to the second power minus 5x plus 2. To find P3, we replace all the x with 3 and calculate. P3 is equals to 2 multiplied by 3 raised to the third power plus 3 raised to the second power minus 5 multiplied by 3 plus 2 is equals to 54 plus 9 minus 15 plus 2 is equals to 50. To find P2, we do the same thing, replacing the x with 2. P2 is equals to 2 multiplied by 2 raised to the third power plus 2 raised to the second power minus 5 multiplied by 2 plus 2 is equals to 16 plus 4 minus 10 plus 2 is equals to 12.
Factoring polynomial function was first considered by ancient Greek mathematicians in the case of integers. They proved the fundamental theorem of arithmetic, which asserts that every positive integer may be factored into the product of prime numbers, which cannot be further factored into integer greater than 1. Factoring is very important in understanding equation. By factoring, we can rewrite the equation into simplified form, making it easier to solve and analyze. And we provide two examples of factoring polynomials. In the first example, we have 3x squared plus 27x is factored into 3x, open parenthesis, multiply plus 9, and close parenthesis. In the second example, we have x squared plus x minus 6 is factored into open parenthesis x plus 3 and close parenthesis, open parenthesis x minus 2 and close parenthesis. The distribute method or FOIL method can be used to verify the factorization.
Polynomial function graphing. To graph the polynomial function fx is equals to 2x cubed minus 2x squared minus 2x plus 1. We need to find the point on the graph. We can do this by subtracting different value of x into function and calculating the corresponding fx value. This means we'll calculate fx for x is equals to negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, and 3. Here's how we will do it. F is equals to negative 3 is equals to 2 times negative 3 raised to the third power minus negative 3 raised to the second power minus 2 times negative 3 plus 1 is equal to negative 54 minus 9 plus 6 plus 1 is equals to negative 56. Second, f is equals to negative 2 is equals to 2 times negative 2 raised to the third power minus negative 2 raised to the second power minus 2 times negative 2 plus 1 is equal to negative 16, negative 4 plus 4 plus 1 is equals to negative 15. Third, f is equals to negative 1 is equals to 2 times negative 1 raised to the third power minus negative 1 raised to the second power minus 2 times 1 plus 1 is equals to negative 2, negative 1 plus 2 plus 1 is equals to 0. Fourth, f is equals to 0 is equals to 2 times 0 raised to the third power minus 0 raised to the second power minus 2 times 0 plus 1 is equals to 0 minus 0 plus 0 plus 1 is equals to 1. The fifth one, f is equals to 1 is equals to 2 times 1 raised to the third power minus 1 raised to the second power minus 2 times 1 plus 1 is equals to 2 minus 1 minus 2 plus 1 is equals to 0. The sixth one, f is equals to 2 is equals to 2 times 2 raised to the third power minus 2 raised to the second power minus 2 times 2 plus 1 is equals to 16 minus 4 minus 4 plus 1 is equals to 9. F is equals to 3 is equals to 2 times 3 raised to the third power minus 3 raised to the second power minus 2 times 3 plus 1 is equals to 54 minus 9 minus 6 plus 1 is equals to 40. Slide 11. Now we have a set of points that can be used on the graph, like positive 3 and negative 56, and 2, negative 15, negative 1, and 0, 0 and 1, 1 and 0, 2 and 9, and 3 and 40. And lastly, after plotting the point, you can now correct them with a smooth curve to create a graph of the polynomial function f(x) is equals to 2 raised to the third power minus x squared minus 2x plus 1.